those days, the Ashantis lived in fear. They were constantly harassed by the vagaries of the weather, and most painfully by the Denchiras, who were the biggest pain in their necks. The Denchiras made a mockery of the army of the Ashantis. They also made them pay heavy taxes. When they couldn't take the disgrace and shame anymore, the people and sub-chiefs complained most bitterly to their king. The king consulted his friend and spiritual head of the kingdom, a confrontation. Respected and feared, a confrontation is reputed to have direct access to the gods, access that no man before or after him has ever had. He invited the king and the chief of all the clans that made up the Ashanti kingdom to his shrine.
You summoned us here to your shrine on this very special day, Fofie. It is very true that we have suffered so many defeats at the hands of the Dentras. The Dentras, common Dentras. Our sons are dying at war front. Adonchi, tell me, what must we do to free ourselves from these dangers?
A confrontation was their last hope. The gods gave them an everlasting hope. The golden stool. One of the things the confrontation asked from the chiefs he was uniting was that 3 of them should sacrifice themselves for medicinal purposes, which would lead the Asante to win the war against their enemies. Immediately, 3 chiefs, Nana Asensu Kofo, chief of Adroma Kesi Kesi, Nana Dekompim, chief of Aduaso, and Nana Chinebua Kodja, paramount chief of Kumawood, offered themselves to be sacrificed. Nana Asenso was buried alive. Nana Dekompim was butchered to death and his body distributed to the vultures. Nana Chinebua Kodja led the marching soldiers. Though he was armed, he was forbidden to shoot. Therefore, he was killed. They were made to cut their fingernails and a clip of their hair and give up their staff of offices. These were gathered and buried. A confrontation also planted his staff of office where these materials are buried. Till this day, the staff still stands. After these rituals, a confrontation invoked and conjured the golden stool. The stool became the symbol of reverence, authority, and power from the gods to the Asante man, and thus the Great Edria Festival was born. The golden stool became the embodiment of the soul of Asante man, a symbol of unity. When a new king is installed, he is lowered and raised over it 3 times without touching it. No bare hands touches it. The king accompanies it to every occasion. It is believed that the Asante man will disappear from history if the stool is taken away.
You know I'm one of them.
Then the British came and put a finger in the eyes of the Asante man. So there was a need to discover the soul of Asante man again. The golden stool.
This is the cause of all the troubles of this kingdom. I demand to sit on this stool so that I will be the supreme leader of the Asante man.
No!
While the British wanted it so that the people will be disintegrated, The Asantes wanted it to consolidate their power. But where is the golden stool? The search begins.
Oh, of course. You know, we have always been friends.
I know, Anoma, from childhood to date, and I hope we remain the same.
You don't understand.
Nana, yeah. What do you show?
I want something more than that. Ajwa, I love you and I want to marry you.
Anoma, but I can't. I've always seen you as my brother, the one I don't have. And I don't expect anything more than that. Anyway, my heart belongs to another. You will know in good time, okay? Come, let's go and join the others.
Back down.
I will have her no matter what it costs.
Good day, Commissioner. In all my administration on the West Coast, I've never seen a people as radical, recalcitrant, and rebellious as these Ashantis. Strike them from one angle and they assemble on another, fighting as one indivisible worm.
The history of these people is full of violence, which culminated in the exiling of their chiefs and queen mothers.
But I thought that after so many years of humiliation, those that remain would have learned their lesson. I will break the resistance, whether they like it or not.
Governor, there must be a connection in this struggle. What are they fighting for? Where does their hope lie?
I don't believe in this, their black superstition.
It will do you well to believe in these facts, Your Excellency. They exist. I know it myself. Their strength is their pride. Past administrators took these people for granted, and they paid dearly for that, Your Excellency.
Do you have an idea as a citizen of this land?
Go and ask the present traditional regent, and they will tell you the spirit behind this rebellion himself.
I received this letter from Her Majesty the Queen. It is quite alarming. There is a pressing situation back in England.
The London Bridge is falling.
Indeed. I don't like the Ashantis.
Ajua, tell me, why do you prefer Kwesi to Anamwa?
Kwesi is so special, so humble. It's like the God sent him to me. The mere thought of him increases my heartbeat.
But Ajua, he has nothing compared to Anamwa.
My dear friends, that is where you miss it all. Kwesi does have something.
Like what? Like what, Ajua?
Maybe he touches her at the right place.
Yes! I'll go shame on you, shame on both of you. Kwesi has humility and faith, despite his poor background. He's very hard-working. Have you ever heard anyone in this kingdom say anything bad about him? Tell me. Huh?
Well, if you mean it that way, I agree with you.
Me too.
And he's very handsome too.
Hey! Please, enough of that. Before you bewitch my man or sweet talk.
Nanano, Ichiamu. I have come from the governor with a message to invite you to visit him as soon as possible in his office.
Insult on us, Santiman. Go and tell that fool that we can't allow him to toss our chief anyhow. Don't they let respect or have elders where they come from?
Impudence. After they have banished all our kings and queen mothers, now they are at our throat, eh? This time, his head will go fit.
Yes. Your Highness, I don't think the white man had any bad intention. You are my king and fellow countryman. I cannot stand to betray you.
Big white lies. You've been poisoned so much so that though you and I have the same color and speak the same tongue, I can't give you 20% trust. Anything that the snake delivers is always long.
Now, go back and tell him that make the fire of the gods blow off his head.
Yes.
Now leave this palace.
Go. Go and tell him that.
But leave. We shall resist him from all angles.
Yes. Move out. You out
of this place.
Bedu, move before I slash you there. Move.
Ajwa, how are you doing today?
I'm fine, thank you.
I was just coming from your house and your mother told me you went to the farm.
What did you go to her house for?
What is your problem? Are you the one I'm talking to?
She's my friend. And because she's my friend, I have the right to know.
Nana, forget, eh? Let us go. I don't think he has anything to say.
Ajwa.
Oh, Anamwa, when did this start?
What? Is it because of this evil forest witch?
Hey! Anamwa, what did you just call me?
It's okay.
Me, evil? Did you hear that, Ajwa?
Oh, stop. It's okay. It's okay.
I will deal with you! You see what I'll do to you. You know me.
Let us go.
You see this boy, I will deal with you. See where my basket is in.
Right.
How are you?
Arrest this man at once. If anyone resists, shoot them.
Wait!
What is the matter?
What is it?
Which people arrested him?
I suspect them from the governor because I saw a white man with them.
Hey! So this white man wants another war with us, eh? Beru, go and notify the other Nananu and wait for me at the governor's office. I'm going with Ajwa. Ajwa, let's go. Let's go.
I've brought the Nana.
Nana, I would like to speak with you in my office.
I will not walk into that office until I see my other Nana. Nana, simply obey the white man. You traitor. The gods will judge you. He has no bad intentions. So what? So what? Just listen to him and I won't. It's here to help this community. Then you have to just understand it. These are white people. What do you want to go on? Munti? Yes, what is it? Brunel Preso, my mind. Chincham in the office. You're not going anywhere. He's not going anywhere. You traitor, bad man. You are traitor. He's not going anywhere.
Nana, restrain these rabbles, or they will have themselves to blame. Please come right inside.
What audacity do you have to seize our chief?
The institution of your traditional leadership is over. I'm in charge here, and whatever I say is final.
What is he talking about?
Please, Nana, I would only like a word with you privately. The chiefs can wait here. I don't mean you any harm.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I don't like applying force on respected traditional rulers like yourself. However, I invited you to this office so that we can work out a modality for the effective administration of this kingdom. And I expect you to cooperate with me.
Me and you to work to administer Santima over our dead bodies. Over our dead bodies. We will continue to resist until we are free from your manipulations. We cannot administer our land with a foreigner.
Nana, I don't want us to drag this issue out too long. If you love your people, and yourself in particular, you will learn to talk peace.
No dog ever buys the conscience of an Asante. And now I will resist this.
It seems you do not like peace. However, if you continue to be stubborn, I will not hesitate to recommend your exile to the Niger Delta. Nana, your people are too recalcitrant to foreign dominance. This I have perceived. However, the only way they will ever experience development is to cooperate with this administration.
The only way to win the hearts of the people is to bring back their kings and queen mothers that you have exiled.
But that is the exclusive right of Her Majesty the Queen. I can do nothing. I invited you here so that we can work things out ourselves. Nana, I want to hand over the administration of this kingdom to you on a deal. You will collect taxes, dues, and hold consultation with your tribal chiefs. I will promote trade with your people, protect you and your people from further banishment. And if you cooperate with me, I will enthrone you as the next Asante Hene.
Why did you come to that term?
Because I want peace to reign in this kingdom. That is why I'm giving you this mandate. It is the result of the meeting I had with Her Majesty the Queen. Nana, will you accept this challenge?
I will consult the other chiefs and relay the message back to you.
Beautiful. Let me get the response as soon as possible. Please, Nana, accept my sympathy for the actions of my men.
How are
you today? Oh, my man is sweating.
Oh, the moment I saw you approaching,
my strength rejuvenated. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. I was also thinking of you all through the night. Now that I've seen you, my joy is full.
You brought me something.
I made you something special. I hope you like it.
Yeah. Ooh. It's sweet too. Oh, then I'll pick another one. Oh, give it to me. Okay.
Huh?
It's nice, huh? Very nice. How are you? This is sweet, huh?
I know.
Thank you for the food.
I'm gonna do much more when we get married.
Right. Sure. That's good of you.
Let me feed my prince.
Akwesi, uje idi.
Intimi so.
My mama, how?
Oh, Ajua. Yeah, me there.
Yeah, I'll be at the actually here.
Dear.
Oh, I was on my way to the market and I decided to stop by and say hello.
Oh, that's good. Please do take care of yourself for me. Or do you want me to accompany you?
And leave me here all alone. Bye. Akwesi no.
Oh, bye. Unya di anade apache. Bomodia. Bomodia nebra. Bye. Amen. Yo, enechire.
Adam.
Do you know that Ajua is one thing that the gods sent to me, like the golden stool?
Akwesi no.
I'm just waiting for the day she will finally become mine.
Then you better hurry up, before all these hawks flying around this village snatch up your chick. Akwesi, have you heard the latest
concerning Nana?
Yes.
Ajua told me that if you see the way the white man lifted the father from the grounds, oh, what an insult!
Akwesi,
what is it? What is it again? Oh. Ajua said, "Baby,
Akwesi, you should have seen the faces of the chiefs when we got to the governor's office. When the white man came out and they all saw him, they started shivering like worms exposed to heat.
But who wants to be exiled? Would you like to be exiled? What do you say, Ado? I wish Nana stays until after I get married to his daughter.
Sure. Don't you think you are better off with him gone? After all, you won't have to go through all those rigorous activities of wife taking. No. You won't believe it. You just can't believe it. When I pulled him to his feet, he went on his knees begging. Huh? He was begging. And then I said, we will return fire for fire unless you return our king and queen mothers to us. Sir? He was still pleading. That is when he turned around and said, all right, you can go ahead and collect your own taxes and then run your own affairs. Oh, Nana,
that offer is too tempting. What is he then doing here?
Nana, we must be careful how we deal with those devils. Asante man will never compromise with traitors. Nana, we must do away with them. Nana, because
please, just listen. In fact, he gave me his assurance with his full heart. But, Nananum, Debbie, we shall be sleeping with one of our eyes wide open.
Sir? Nana, they are all the same.
The same.
Can't you see their faces? Son, come at here.
I'm saying, no, I don't. And then we'll come back tomorrow and continue with the discussions.
I say, oh, baby, that's right. This can only check.
Monica, when I'm in the castle. I called you personally because I want to confide in you.
Thank you, Nana. And I will never betray that confidence.
Well, I did not reveal everything that the white man discussed with me. I want to know your opinion. You see, he has promised to make me the next Asante Hene if I cooperate with him in rebuilding Asante Man.
Installation of Asante Hene is the prerogative of Nananum and the kingmakers. This carrot is very tempting. But we have to be critical of the implications. What is he after? Did he tell you?
You lick hot soup with ease. I must watch him. Besides, I want to make you the next in command if his word is real.
Oh, Nana, thank you. Who will they put sugar in his mouth and he will spit it out? If the condition is good, we can go for it.
I'll think of it. Meanwhile, I'm giving you the task of selecting tax collectors in the kingdom.
Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you, Nana. Thank you, Nana.
Oh, the one I pleated is not nice. I have to lose it again.
Fine, just do anything, but make sure that I look pretty.
You know me. When I finish with you, all the men will be running away.
That's true.
Nanaya, you nearly slapped that man the last time.
And I will slap him again if he tries to touch me. You are too harsh on me. What do you want me to do? Didn't you try biting that boy's finger when he touched you?
It's so funny. As for Ahmad, your bonus, they don't respect. Stupid boys.
To be very interesting if he comes here. Then I can hear the rubbish he has to say in his dirty mouth.
Nanaya, you look like a queen this morning.
Feintation. After you called me an evil forest witch the last time.
My sister. You know I said it in anger. The anger of a sister does not reach the bone marrow. Well, I'm here to see you in private.
In private? There is nothing private about your meeting. Just say whatever you want to say.
Well, my sister, you know the afternoon rabbit does not come out unless he is on a mission. I want you to help me to talk to Ajua. You are the only friend that she listens to in this village.
Hey! Help you talk to who?
Ajua.
Don't you know monkeys play by their sizes? Tell him.
What is that supposed to mean?
Any way you put it. And if it satisfied you, fine.
So, you mean Kwesi is better than me? Is that what you are dragging at?
Anamwa, this Kwesi and address issue is long forgone. Eh? They even plan on getting married though. Eh? Oh.
The way Ajua relates to me, I thought she has given me her heart.
Giving you her what? That is the problem with you men. Whenever a lady manages a smile, you think she is cheap. Please go. Just go and look for your size. Go.
Look, Nanaya, I will give you anything just to get back that girl. Please help me. Please.
You give me anything.
Anything.
Okay. Go and come back tomorrow.
Thank you very much.
Look, Anamwa, it's okay. I said go.
You will soon meet your own husband. In fact, you will bear twins.
Abranchi, also kone brochi na wanti.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Nanaya, what do you think you are doing?
The right thing, of course.
What is the right thing?
Oh, please. If I continue with him like this, you know this boy, my father will be back anytime soon. And he can lay a mat here. You know, Anamwa.
That's true.
Oh.
Yeah. He's very, very funny.
Where Jimmy dear, Anamwa.
Nana wabra, Nana wabra. Nana wabra, Nana wabra. I'm a posse idea young Fanko, or see I de. Aye, Yakwako dear drone be, Nana you come. Aye, I'm a posse idea young Fanko, or see why de. Aye, ye, Yakwako dear drone be, Nana you come. Aye, Obusum Penny, Obusum Coco, Una yes, Kaga Kofi. Ade ma yen asante man se emeye ya sensu de ene etumi nana wo ma ya ba ya baji unyansa ene wa kwankrepa eti nana cheye kwan ya kwa kodi adro de be nana iko aye hey, ya kwa kodi adro ni ebe nana iko hey, ya kwa kodi adro ni ebe nana iko ya kwa kodi adro ni ebe nana iko
Jekum, did you get any information?
Yes, Your Excellency. I saw the chief and the fetish priest going to offer sacrifice to what he called the golden stool.
The golden stool? What is the golden stool?
I am also made to understand that that is the spirit of Asante. Remove it from them and there's no more Asante kingdom. That has been the bane of their rebellion. And they believe the golden stool is their protective god.
Here, take this. But first, where is this stool?
That is one mystery I cannot reveal. Only the chief knows.
Of Ajeku. Uncle. Anama, what is it? What is it, Anama? Anama, what is it? What is it? What's the problem?
This evening, I went to Ajekum's house.
What is wrong with Ajekum? What is it?
On account of the money he owed me for my
what is it?
For my work on his farm. And
what's the problem? Tell me.
I saw him lying stone.
What?
Again.
Trouble. I said this last time. That's what man would think. We don't like him.
The way the body was, he seemed to have been dead for months.
Did you go to the palace?
No. You are my uncle. I don't want any problem.
Okay.
That was why I came to
you. Okay. Keep your mouth out of this, eh? Let the body announce itself, okay? I'm going to the palace.
Your Majesty, there is a strange problem in the land this morning. One of my staff, Ejekum, was found stranded in the bush part beside his house. I want this death investigated and the culprits fished out now.
When did this happen?
The news came to my notice this morning through some women. I want the culprits brought to justice.
No. That one is beyond us. No Asante will ever take the life of his brother. We are bound by the same tradition and customs.
Your Majesty, I am going. I don't want to be here to listen to these superstitions. I will see you again.
He's a traitor. Let him die. He deserves what he got.
Nana, he deserves death. I told him he's responsible for all the problems in this kingdom. Because the white man fits him. It serves him better.
Yes, he deserves it. And God can never be wrong. He deserves it.
One way.
Big brother, good day.
Anamwa, are you still in the village?
You think the white men will banish me so that you can have advantage over my heart throb? Oh. Look, this is not a joking matter. I mean every word I'm saying. Stay away from Ajwa. She is not your staff.
Which of the Ajwas are you talking about, if I may ask?
The one you've been wasting your time and effort on. Let this be the last time I'm warning you. Keep off.
We are here to effect the collection of your tax.
Tax? Go and tell that traitor who calls them Nana
I have no right to pay any tax in this village because this land belongs to our forefathers. Very soon, the god of Asantuma is going to do with him.
Ajimai, this is not an issue of gods or land.
What?
The man is just asking you a simple question. What? Pay your tax! Pay your tax! Pay your tax! Pay your tax!
For what reason?
Pay your tax!
For what reason?
It's a pay your tax!
I will not pay!
You pay!
I will not pay!
You pay!
I will not pay!
You pay!
You pay!
Okay, now here.
Yes, let's go here.
Oh, Shahana Fasidi and Brawai. These are taxes from the kingdom, but that is not all. Some of the villages are yet to meet their obligation.
I also heard that the people are not cooperating, even after you have been made their leader. Anyway, that is not what I'm here to discuss. Nana, we have one more thing to talk about, and I will need your ultimate cooperation. I want you to tell me everything you know about the golden stool.
Who mentioned that secret issue to you?
I knew about it before I took up this appointment from Her Majesty the Queen. I'm under obligation to know about this.
Obligation? By who?
Her Majesty the Queen. Nana, where is the stool?
I have no idea. I am not the priest. The only knowledgeable person, the custodian of the stool, is the stool at St. He only has access to it.
But he is in exile, and the stool is not with him there. Besides, I am made to understand that it is the only thing that will make you ascend the throne as the next Asantehene. You do want that throne, don't you? I want that stool here in my office and the shrine destroyed.
You can only destroy what you see. The stool is the sacred heart of Asantuma.
Where is the shrine? I want you to send an emissary to the priest in charge and bring him here to my office.
Well, I don't want to get directly involved in this issue myself. I have only heard of the stool, but have never seen it with my eyes.
But you make sacrifice for it.
Because of the belief we have in it. But there is this old man in Kuntum village called Okonfukodia. In fact, he was once the Konfu of the shrine. If you can have access to him, fine. Not me.
Kuntum village.
Papa, my house.
Yeah, Oba.
Papa, are you okay? Chrissy is here to see you.
Nana Mahao.
Yeah, I saw.
Papa, you don't look happy today.
How can your father be happy in this terrain of uncertainty and white oppression?
Nana, it won't be long before Asanteman gains back her freedom.
Chrissy, your people came to seek the hand of Adwa, my daughter, in marriage. I have no word. I have spoken to my daughter
concerning this relationship, and she has indicated her love for you. You are a fine young man, and the whole clan, the entire clan, testifies to your diligence and hard work. If your family is ready, I'm prepared to see my daughter's happiness.
Papa! Thank you! Oh, Papa! Thank you! Oh, Papa, I love you! Thank you! Papa, we thank you!
That's the house. Yes.
I know your mission here, but it is good to hear from the horse's own mouth.
This white man is a tourist from England. He writes histories about great nations. The Nana sent us here to you so you could tell him more about the Godis stool and exactly where it is.
It must be against the wish of every true son of Asantebai to reveal such sacred instruments. I don't believe that Nana sent you to me. But even if he did, go back and tell him that I want to die peacefully by ripe age. Get out of my house! Get out before the gods send their wrath upon you.
We are here doing business, not for fun. Obey my orders, or I'll take you to the governor.
Haven't you been told about what happened to your forebears? Their experience should serve as a guide for you. Out of my sight!
Bundle this fool up now.
And Palm 1 is our salvation.
We will drink and booze.
Continue the story.
As I was saying, as I was coming from the farm.
But you said you went hunting.
Oh, you? Hunting? Then I saw the tiger.
A crocodile.
As I was ready to pounce on the tiger was also ready to pounce on me. So we met in midair and we somersaulted. At the end, I brought the head home.
You did what?
I brought the head home.
Take more drink. Drink.
You. Me go there, take more drink.
Yes, you drink.
May the gods bless you, eh? You seem to understand my heart. Have you seen a fish refuse water?
Come on. But what are brothers for? Come on.
But I know that this invitation means something else.
How do you mean?
Has there been anything free in this world before? It is only the man who is destined to die who accepts free drinks.
Listen to him.
The man is drunk.
But if they will kill me, they will not benefit anything.
It's true.
See, me, I am waiting for death to come and kill me. But anytime the death sees me, it runs away. Me.
But why are you insulting that old man? That is old enough to be your father.
Which one?
Oh, don't mind me. He's my friend. Oh.
Are you sure?
But he has done something bad that I don't like.
What has he done?
He has refused to hand over the stool to the white man when he was to confirm.
What stool?
The golden stool, of course. That is why they carried all our kings and our queens away and ate them. Yes.
Take some more.
You.
So, where is the stool now?
The stool?
Yes.
Oh, some people say it is hidden in a shrine far away. You have to cross Lake Busumtri, go through the evil forest, till then you enter Busum village. It's a very dangerous place. Oh. But who will go there? Did I mention the golden stool?
What?
This is my mouth.
The one is very keep quiet and drink.
You people are traitors.
Huh? What is that?
You people are traitors. May the gods of our land blind you.
Papa, sit down and drink. Kweku. Hey.
About a day.
Look. Let's go and see the DC immediately. Straight away. Straight away.
This is excellent. The Queen will be very happy if I am able to capture this stool that has defied so many governors before me. I will have to consult the Nana to give me 10 strong men in this village for that expedition. You will be leading the team for a handsome reward.
We will need strong information before embarking on such a trip, Your Excellency.
He will cooperate. When it says here that you were able to...
I have always maintained my innocence on this information. This is a very dangerous venture, and I cannot give you my consent. If it is your wish, you go ahead. You only will bear the consequences.
Nana, that is an antiquated belief that has no relevance to modern development. I need your cooperation now because that stool must be returned to my office. I will pay anything for that stool.
You cannot buy the spirit of a Santiman. I wash my hands in innocence. Look, I cannot sit and eat food that will swell my belly after you have gone back to your country. Consequences will follow me and my generations.
Nana, I don't care what you believe. I need 10 able-bodied men in this village for that hunt. You know them better.
Send my own children on a suicide mission? Never. Abomination of the highest degree. If truly you love and have the interest of this kingdom at heart, you will not send the sons of this village on such a dangerous trip. Do you understand what you are doing?
I am tired of your heckling. I need those men whether you permit it or not. I run the administration in this kingdom. You are only a stooge.
all right?
Nightmare. I had a terrible nightmare last night. This one is really bad.
Oh, it's only a dream. No matter how bad it is, it's a sign of good omen. Just put me into the dream and you see the reverse of it.
Good omen. Ajua, this is not good omen. This is bad omen. I can see danger around me. How can my own dead father appear to me in my dream with his left finger pointing at me?
Oh, it's okay, Chrissy. It's okay. Tomorrow, we'll take a file to the chief priest so that he will explain the dream. Come on, give me that smile again. Come on, give me that smile. That smile like this.
Master. Anamoa, I want you to give me the list of 10 able-bodied young men in the village for an expedition hunt for the golden stool. We will pay you whatever it takes.
How many men did you say? 10 able, strong men with courage. I'll give you the list tomorrow morning.
This should keep you going. See you tomorrow, as you said.
Thank you.
Thank you, Asari.
This is the time. I have to deal with that bastard. He will be number 1 on my list for this dangerous trip. He looks feeble. And when I make it back, Ajua will all be mine. Yes! She will all be mine.
Ajua, when is a meadow? But you see, I'm just waiting for that wonderful day when you finally pack into my life.
Sweetheart, I've already packed into your heart. It only takes the confirmation of my parents and the nananum.
Ajua, I forgot to tell you this. 3 days ago, Anama came to me wanting me to leave you alone. What is happening? Can you tell me something?
Huh? And what did you tell that miserable cheat?
Oh, I wasn't bothered. You know, I trust you. You don't get bothered, right? He's only being childish. Don't mind him, don't mind him. Kwesi, Memawache.
Major, sir.
The governor would like to see you and all the young men at his palace as soon as possible.
Is this such an agency?
The tone with which I deliver this message indicates this urgency. I'm going for your interest. Leave everything you are doing now.
Ajua, let me go and see what he's calling us for, right? When I return, we'll go and see the chief priest.
No. Let us go to the chief priest first. Then from there, you can go to the palace.
Ajua, don't get worried. Eh? You let me go and see him. Just go home. When I return, I will come and pick you up. Right? Are you okay?
You once told me I'm the apple of your eyes.
Yes, you are still my beloved. What is the matter?
Oh, Papa, please, if you still stand by that word, please help me. They have chosen my heart in happiness. Christy among us is for the hand of the golden stool. Oh, Mama, please help me. Please, oh, please help me. Please.
I did everything to persuade that rat to exclude Kwesi from the group. He remained adamant. If I pick up arms, it will be to the disadvantage of my subjects.
Nana, no more arms in this kingdom. I, Kwesi Poku, will take this adventure if it will save this kingdom from the hands of the white man.
Ah, Kwesi! Kwesi! Please, don't do this to me! Please don't do this to me! Please don't take joy and happiness from me! You're all I have!
Ajua, your father's position must be preserved. And I want peace to reign in this kingdom. I will return by the powers of the gods.
What kind of trouble is this? Why did they point finger on me for this dangerous mission? They didn't even allow me to get married. This is a suicide mission. And whether the governor likes it or not, I will not embark on such a dangerous trip. Is he mad? I'm going home to prepare for the West. I think I'll leave this village and go to my mother's village.
With your wife and children?
When situation changes, I'll come back. They don't have a problem being here.
Ado, he threatens banishment to any family that rejects.
Banishment? Yes. Okay, Kwame. Asasiya.
Kwesi, my father suggested you see an old man called Okonfokudia. He was once the chief priest. Seek his advice. Remember, you promised never to make me sad. Please, talk to me. Say something. Or would you want me to accompany you?
Adwa, thanks for your concern. I have heard of a Konfukodia before through my father. But, well, I'll leave in the night to go and see him before going to see the DC in the morning. But Adwa, you know how brave I am. I will go and I will come back and we will get married, right? Let's go. It's okay, let's go.
When this romance started, I knew it was going to end up inside the bedroom. This white man wants to bring death to this kingdom. Nana must do something.
Yes. We are supposed to be wise in dealing with this white man.
That is true.
We are all alive to see what they did to our kings and queen mothers. And we are not ignorant of the fact that the problem for our fathers and mothers stems from this same instrument that binds this kingdom. We must do something. Yes. We must protect the spirit of Asanteman.
That is true.
We must find out how water passes through the leaf.
Yes. That is true.
Who said, Sassy Gagofi, I said, like a something.
Oh, why? 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 Why should life treat me like this? Chrissy. Why are you leaving me now? But I need you so much.
Are you crying over a departed bridegroom to be? Come on. Cheer up, lover girl. You'll be able to make a better choice when the best returns. And I promise you, I am the best.
Adwa will be fine.
For me to leave my parents and walk down here means the situation is out of hand. You did not tell me that you have such a grave agenda in my kingdom. Do you want to kill us? You have virtually destroyed the trust my chiefs have in me and my throne.
Nah, I destroyed nothing. I'm doing this in your interest. Do you want to cost me my job? It is only the instruction from Her Majesty the Queen that this dynasty must be destroyed. It has been the motive behind every rebellion in this kingdom, and I am prepared to stamp it out once and for all. Inasmuch as I have no authority to usurp your traditional obligation to your people, I would not want to be disobedient to Her Majesty the Queen.
Do you know what you have just done?
No. Maybe you know better?
All the young men have deserted the town because they are afraid!
Nah, I chose 10 able-bodied and responsible men in this village for that expedition. Now, if you try to usurp my authority, then automatically you don't want peace to reign between us. The battle your predecessors started may continue with me if you fail to cooperate with this administration. I want that stool returned to this office, no matter the amount of opposition.
AC.
Kwesi! 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 Oh, Ado.
What is it?
Kwesi, trouble.
What is it?
Trouble! I came home to find out that my wife and children have been taken away to the governor's office, threatening to banish them if I don't show up. Kwesi, are you going with the group?
Ado, to be very honest with you, I have made up my mind. I want to protect Nana and prevent the white man's war.
I have no option also. I will not allow them to banish my family. I will rather sacrifice my life for my family. Yes, I would rather sacrifice my life.
I'll see you.
Yes. Yes.
I go for Nana. Asem yesi. Hey. Nana, whoever had this idea is wicked. Nana, this is a dangerous venture, and there will be curse on the land. And those who aided this plot, these are the ways of the gods. Did you hear that? That is the mouthpiece of the gods.
And do you expect me to believe this trash from his dirty mouth?
Hey! Sanyana soja to amasi brege from kwampaga dela. Naka wako si bronya o yire muto ma mutam. Wo sa ni hwen? Na fa bo ma nananom. Hey! Nana!
Stand up, my son. The gods have already had your prayer. You are courageous and bold. You are not going on the street by your own volition. The gods will protect you.
Nana, how did you know what I have in mind?
I can read the mind of courageous young men in the kingdom.
Nana, please. Then I want you to help me. Nana, please help me.
Get up, my son. I don't blame you. It is Nana who is bringing these woes onto the kingdom. I will give you something to protect you, and in danger I shall be beside you. Because you have had confidence in me and the gods, go in peace, and in peace return. Go.
Nana Dasi.
Get up, my son. Whoa.
I understand tomorrow morning you'll be leaving for the expedition.
Yes, Nana.
In San Mami. koto na men send na nam hira mo. Nana kwa me twedi ampon asase ya. Ensenie. Nana no mabusumfo ensenie o. Nana no musamanfo ensenie o magibe nom. Eye me nana kwa pon am toso miensa. Ene mi giamoni mu a na mi bisa nhira ama mo nananom. Sine be ya akwantu a wo mokoi. Ne ye musio eye san nananom mumpengu mayen. Nananom we mumpengu mayen. Nananom mumpengu mayen. Go in peace. May the gods go with you.
Nana, for the interest of Ashanti Kingdom, you, Nana, standing in front of me, and your daughter, Ajua, I shall return.
Asantimine, the land of gold and diamonds, the land the gods have given to us. Here it is in the state of defilement and desecration. Arise! Arise now!
I will not hesitate to take the law into my own hands if anyone disobeys my orders. We are all aware of this mission. Together we go, and together we shall return. I am promising you all your safety. This will be our guide for the mission. We shall obey every word he says and every precaution he recommends. Is that quite understood?
Yes, sir. Now listen. We are going on a very dangerous adventure. I repeat, dangerous adventure. We are going to walk through rocks, valleys, hills, and thorns. Make up your minds. Be resolute, for we are not coming back without the golden stool.
Sikejwa kofie asante mamba dwasio wayadio wayadio wani unabio nimbie wayadio sikejwa kofie asante mamba dwasio wayadio wayadio confrontation, asante mabedu asio wayadio. Aye wayadio, 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 wayadio. Aye wani unabioni mbie wayadio. Sikeja kofie aye, asante mabedu asio wayadio. Aye wayadio, 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 wayadio. Aye wani unabioni mbie wayadio. Nana setwe aye, asante mabedu asio wayadio. Aye wayadio, 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 wayadio. Aye wani unabioni mbie wayadio. Sikeja kofie aye, asante mabedu asio wayadio. Aye wayadio, 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 wayadio. Aye wani undabioni mbie wayadio. Nana ya santwe aye, asante mabedu asio wayadio. Aye wayadio, 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 wayadio. Aye wani unabioni mbie wayadio. Sikeja kofie aye, asante mabedu asio wayadio. Aye wayadio, 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 wayadio. Aye wani undabioni mbie wayadio. Nana numpeni mfwe aye, asante mabedu mwayo wayadio. Aye wayadio, 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 wayadio. Aye wani unabioni mbie wayadio. Sikeja kofie aye, asante mabedu asio wayadio. Aye wayadio, 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 wayadio. Aye wani undabioni mbie wayadio. Nase wampime aye, asante mabedu asio wayadio. Aye wayadio, 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 wayadio. Aye wani unabioni mbie wayadio. Sikeja kofie aye, asante mabedu asio wayadio. Aye wayadio, wayadio, aye wayadio, wayadio. Aye wani unabioni mbie wayadio. Sikeja kofie aye, asante mabedu asio wayadio. Aye wayadio, 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 wayadio. Aye wani unabioni mbie wayadio. Sikeja kofie aye, asante mabedu asio wayadio.